people think of making beef stroganoff, they probably think of making it in a skillet or in a pot. They don't probably think of making it on a Blackstone griddle. But you know what I say? I say I can make that. We need to start by getting some beef broth on. You could just as easily throw a skillet or something on here, but I'm choosing to use a disposable pan just to make cleanup easier. So I'm gonna do about 4 cups of beef broth here and get that heat up. Traditionally, beef stroganoff is made with steak or something like that, but I'm trying to make a quick, easy meal tonight, so I'm just using regular old ground beef hamburger. Once your beef is done, go ahead and pull it off and set it to the side. Next, we're going to throw on 1 whole white onion. Okay, when your onions start to brown, go ahead and throw on your mushrooms. At this point, go ahead and add your meat back in. Mix it up. We're going to throw in about 3 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, we're going to throw down a couple tablespoons of flour. Once you get the flour mixed up, we're going to go ahead and move this over into our beef broth that's been heating up. Now it's time to throw in your egg noodles. We're going to press down the noodles into that broth because we want them to cook in that broth. So get them mixed up real good in there. So the key to a good beef stroganoff is cooking the noodles in the broth, which is why I did not pre-cook the noodles here. Egg noodles don't take very long to cook anyway, and so I wanted them to cook in that broth. If needed, you could do like I did. I have some extra broth here just in case. And as it heats up, some of that might evaporate. So if it reduced down a little too much, you need to add a little broth, you can do that. But you don't need too much. You see that mine's not like totally covering the noodles. That's okay, just keep stirring the noodles. Okay, when it looks like the noodles have softened, you can go ahead and pull it off the heat. Be careful because the pan should be very hot. So now we're going to doctor it up. We're going to throw a little Dijon mustard in there. Then you're going to throw in about 3/4 cup of sour cream. Okay, mix that up. Man, that smells really good. Again, if you like this saucier, you could always add a little more beef broth to it. I don't think it necessarily needs it though. This looks good like this. And there it is. Some good beef stroganoff. So let's give it a taste test. That is really good. That Dijon mustard adds just a little bit of spice to it. The creaminess of the sour cream. So I would call that very much a success. So we made a delicious beef stroganoff right there on the Blackstone Griddle. It was really easy. Didn't take much time at all. Be a great midweek meal for you guys to try to make. Leave a comment, let me know if you do try to make it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my Teespring store, and we'll see you next time.